Hello. So you just installed a new stick of RAM, and your BIOS might be picking it up. If it's not, then there's probably a problem with your RAM, unfortunately. But if your BIOS does pick it up, and you head to performance, and you see the amount total you have, then you're in good luck. But say it's not using it all for some reason, you had no performance increase, and it's reading it, but you see like it's only using 1 GB out of 6 or 8, and you have some hardware reserved, and it might be like 9.8 gigabytes reserved, um, and your computer just doesn't know um, exactly. It doesn't know to use the maximum memory. So what we're gonna do is to just tell it to use all your memory that you just installed, and you should be good to go. So how to do that is you press Windows R, and actually you can also just type in run, and type in ms config, and that's gonna bring you this menu. Press boot, advanced options. Make sure this is unrelated, but make sure you're using your maximum number of processors. Um, that increases performance as you're using all your cores. So also click maximum memory, and this is equivalent to 16 gigs. So make sure that's gonna tell your computer use all the RAM that's been installed, and you're gonna press OK and apply. It's gonna ask you to restart your computer, and just come here, make sure you have minimal hardware reserved, and it's like um, you know similar to these numbers. Well, say if you have 16 gigabytes installed, obviously the numbers are gonna be different if you have more or less. Um, Another fix is that some people say that they have unchecked this and it works just fine. That's the fix for them. There are different ways to do this, but by clicking max memory, making sure these numbers add up with the the amount. So like this is equal to 16. Making sure that's all right. Click OK, apply. It's going to prompt you restart your computer, and when you restart it, it should be using all your RAM, other than just a little bit of your hardware reserved. Um, I just installed a new RAM stick. I've noticed an insane amount of performance boost, um, especially in games such as Call of Duty. Um, yeah, so this is the fix you're looking for. If this didn't work for you, there are other methods. Um, so just comment, and I can provide alternate methods.